what I do to pull the distributor to prime the oil pump and then get it back in where it belongs without having to retime everything is I'll put it on top dead center on the timing mark. I'll draw 3 different lines. Put a line here, a line here, and a line here. That way you can line the 3 dots up. If you just put 2 dots, you don't necessarily know by the angle of where you're at. Like here, it looks like these dots are lined up. But then here, you line all 3 of them up. Here, here, and here, you got 3 points, and you know you got it really close. You always have to fine tune a little bit, but then I'll also do a second spot, and this one I didn't do very good on, but there's a mark here, mark there, mark there, mark there, but this one here is not really in the right spot. But between the 2 it's close. And then also to make sure I got the top in the same place, which I think originally these should point more over here. But I'll make a mark here, here, and then at the top there. So whenever you got it in, the oil pump's all lined up and it's all back in, you know you've got everything where it was.